Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Canva Magic Design for AI video and ad creation step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Canva website at www.canva.com. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Once you're logged in, look for the search bar at the top of the homepage. Type Magic Design into the search bar and press Enter. You will see a variety of options related to Magic Design. Click on the Magic Design option that interests you. This will take you to the Magic Design feature page. Explore the available templates and designs tailored for video and ad creation. Select a template that suits your project needs. Click on the chosen template to open it in the editor. Once the editor loads, you will see various customization options on the left side. Click on the Elements tab to access images, icons, and graphics. Choose elements that enhance your video or ad design. To add text, click on the Text tab on the left sidebar. Type in your desired text and adjust the font style and size. You can also change the color of the text for better visibility. Next, revisit the Elements tab to add background music or sound effects. Upload your own audio file or select from Canva's music library. To preview your video, click on the Play button at the top right corner. If you're satisfied with your design, click the Download button in the top right corner. Select your preferred video format, such as MP4 or GIF. Adjust any other download settings if needed, then hit the Download button. After the download is complete, locate your video file on your computer. You can now use your newly created AI video or ad for your intended purpose. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.